Hello guys, good day. Once again, you are welcome to my channel. I will want to take a few minutes to demonstrate to you how profitable it is to trade demand and supply zones, and how easy it is to identify. All right. So in my previous lessons, I always teach you that the first thing you must look out for when you open your chart or when you enter the market is to look for the direction of the market. You should look out for whether the market is trending. If it's trending, is it trending up or down, or if it's ranging? Yeah, so this will actually inform your trade decisions. Okay, and we use a higher time frame to determine the overall direction of the market, like I always say. All right, so let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's start from the weekly and see. So you realize that this market is an uptrend market. Okay, yeah, you realize it's an uptrend market because price is moving. Look at how price moved from the downside to the upside. So market is already in an uptrend. Moreover, you see price making a series of what, um, higher highs and higher lows, right? Yeah, this is a weekly time frame. So price making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. All right, so it's a clear example that market is in what, an uptrend. Then the second thing is you scale down to the lower time frame. Let's You scale it down. That is the top down analysis. So if you go to the daily time frame, you realize that market is following the same uptrend, higher, making a series of higher highs and higher lows. All right, so you can just see it's higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. All right, and then here you could see the market is ranging. All right, you could see the market is ranging here. So first of all, market is in an uptrend. Okay, so what you have to look out for is to look out for an opportunity for buys, all right. So you scale it down to a lower time frame. Let's go to the 4 hours. So for 4 hours you could see that I have drew demand and supply zone because market was ranging. You could see market is moving within this range. Okay, market goes up, goes to the supply zone, come to the demand zone. You see that whenever price comes to the demand zone, it goes up. Okay, then it reaches here, comes down. All right, so you could see that market is ranging in this particular area. Market is ranging in this particular area. So the bias here is a buy. All right, so you look out for opportunities for buys. All right, so after drawing my demand and supply zone, which I have taught in my lessons, yeah, I taught this just yesterday. Okay, how to draw demand and supply zone using order blocks. Okay, so you could see this is a demand order block. I drew this demand order block here. All right, so you could see that whenever price come into the order block or the demand zone, price goes out higher. Whenever price come to the demand zone, it goes what, higher. Okay, good. So yesterday I spotted this buy. Okay, price came into the demand zone, price was somewhere here. I spotted this buy. So what I did was I quickly entered the trade. Okay, I quickly entered the trade at this point, and then I waited for price. You see price going higher. All right, so like I said, I spotted this demand zone already. We have seen that this is a demand zone and it's in confluence with the overall trend of the market, because the market is already in an uptrend. All right, so demand zone, an uptrend, a lot of confluence. Then you could see clearly from here. Let me go to the 4 hour time frame. You could see I also had this trend line guiding me exactly where price should reverse. Okay, you could see this trend line. I drew this trend line which was guiding me. So you realize that when price got to the trend line, which was serving as a support, in confluence with it, so we have three confluences. Okay, the first one is what, the overall trend of the market, which is an uptrend. Now the second confluence is what, this demand zone, where price was already in the demand zone. All right, so that is my second confluence. And then my third confluence was in this trend line guiding me. So price came to the trend line as a support. All right, so that was my third confluence. And then I could use another confluence. You could see price forming morning. you could see the price formed a morning star here, okay, which is one of the bullish candlestick pattern. Morning star was formed here. Or if you go to the 1 hour time frame, let's see if we can get other confluences. You could see this was you could say this was a bullish engulfing, okay. This was also a pin bar, which are all what bullish candlestick patterns. They are all bullish candlestick patterns, which are all confirmation that the buy would definitely what happened. The buy would definitely happen. So I took this trade, I left it overnight, okay. My stop loss is around here. Yeah, it was overnight. I took it overnight and then I slept, and then look at this is a small account, okay. It was a small account, but you could see how profitable price has been, okay. So it is not about the number of trades you take or the over leveraging. It's about taking a quality trade that can give you a good profit in the market. All right, so let's all learn this. The demand and supply zone actually works. It works better. It works really better. So you should learn how to use this to your advantage. All right, if you want mentorship, I'm available. If you want any guidance through your trading, I'm available. Leave all your comments and your questions in the comment section. I will attend to them as swift as possible. Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful day.